Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for best gate coaching in your city Hyderabad? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 6 institutes for best gate preparations in your city Hyderabad. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below. So without further delay, let us begin the video. 1. We have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is one of the most finest and one of the most leading coaching center in the education sector. It provides best online coaching, which is definitely a need of the hour in this pandemic situation. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.toppersacademy.app. So you should definitely connect to the institute once, as it is our rank 1 institute and provides best coaching. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone is a great and best platform for preparation of NEET. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. When you will connect to the institute, they will provide you a completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. A counseling session will be provided to the students, and that too completely free of cost. Hence, students can ask their queries with expert mentors regarding which institute will be best fit for them according to their course. Therefore, it is a great platform and opportunity for the students who are more likely to be confused. Hence, you should definitely avail this opportunity and must once call the Hindu Zone Institute. It will definitely be helpful. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have ProGate Coaching. ProGate Coaching in Hyderabad offers the best classroom course and best faculty to offer the vast knowledge of almost all subjects. Further, students can have a very positive and interactive environment to prepare for gate examination. The address of ProGate Coaching includes ProGate Coaching, office number 304, 3rd floor, Shriman Rama Towers, beside Swagat Hotel, Chaitanyapuri, Dislukh Nagar, Hyderabad, Telangana 500060. The contact number of the institute is 091 600 04283 and the website includes www.progatecoaching.com. At rank 4, we have IES Gate Coaching. IES Gate Coaching offers online courses for GATE and updated study material as per the latest exam trends. They have their own modern approaches to make the course easy to learn for the students. This is the institute where students have the facility of only GATE Telugu classes. The address of the institute includes 81523/204 Kausar Plaza, Hyderabad, Brindavan Colony, Toli Chowki, Hyderabad, Telangana 500008. The contact number of the institute is 099 0000188804 and the website of the institute includes www.iesgate.com. Moving towards our rank 5 institute, we have The Gate Academy. The Gate Academy is a reputed name that helps students achieve their aim to be selected in GATE examination. Students can prepare themselves for this examination with the assistance of best faculties. Further, they generally focus on the online mock tests and study materials that helps in knowing the weakness and the strength of the students, so that faculty members and students both can work together on the weakness of the students and improve the performance. The address of the coaching institute is Gaddiyanaram, Dilsukh Nagar, Hyderabad, Telangana 500065. Their contact number includes 08801109909 and the website of the institute is www.thegateacademy.com. The last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 6 institute, is ACE Engineering Academy. ACE Engineering Academy is among the leading institutions for the preparation of GATE examination. Its results show that 90% of the students pass the GATE examination with high marks, and also the study material of the institute is excellent. The address of ACE Engineering Academy includes 201 A and B, Tancom Business Center opposite Chennai Shopping Mall, Ameerpet, Hyderabad, Telangana 500073. The contact number of the institute includes 040-6597-4465 and 040-247-50437. The website of the institute includes www.aceingacademy.com. So friends, these were our top 6 institutes for best GATE preparations in your city, Hyderabad. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions and now will select the best one for yourselves. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.